Hey everyone, I'm looking at the Infinix Note Edge with a proper, slightly squinty eye today. Although it may sound like marketing gibberish, Infinix's description of this phone as the intersection of elegance and power has some validity after using it for a short while. A vivid display, a large battery, and a new MediaTek Dimensity chipset are all included in a phone that feels surprisingly light and thin in the hand. After using it for a bit, I have a fairly clear notion of who this phone is for. In terms of design, the Infinix Note Edge is available in a number of colors, including titanium, black, blue, and the green model I've been using. The textured plastic back of this green model, which has a slightly papery, soft touch sensation, makes it stand out. Regardless of how you style it, it is still made of plastic, but it has more grip than the typical glossy finishes and feels really good against the palm. The phone has a faint shimmer effect in bright light that gives it some personality but isn't very revolutionary. XOS is a mixed bag in and of itself. With an app drawer and a side screen full of widgets, it has a fairly typical Android feel, but it also offers a lot of pre-installed apps, news feeds, and commercial content that you might not want. Fortunately, you can remove the majority of the bloatware, but you will need to use third-party ways to disable some recalcitrant programs. One of the Note Edge's best features is its display. With its 1.5K resolution and 6.78-inch screen, everything appears crisp, colorful, and well-detailed. Videos and movies still look fantastic, even though streaming services like Netflix do not officially support HDR. Even with reflections on the curved glass, screen's remarkable brightness makes it easy to see outside. Animations and scrolling remain fluid, thanks to 120 Hz refresh rate. A stereo speaker arrangement with JBL tuning handles audio. The top speaker is noticeably weaker than the bottom speaker, yet it still performs well when watching films or consuming informal content. One of the first phones to use Dimensity 7100 chipset, the Infinix Note Edge stands out in terms of performance. It uses a Mali G610 GPU, which isn't particularly cutting edge, and is definitely in the reasonably priced mid-range area. The phone functions adequately for daily use, with seamless navigation and reasonable app loading speeds. Another highlight is battery longevity. The phone itself claims a 6,150 mAh battery, although Infinix claims a 6,500 mAh battery. In any case, endurance is superb. With plenty of power remaining, you can easily complete a full day of intensive use, including streaming, browsing, and video conversations. The phone can be fully charged in less than an hour at the maximum charging speed of 45 watts, which isn't the fastest available. The Note Edge's camera hardware is quite simple. There is no ultra-wide or telephoto lens on the primary camera, which has a 50-megapixel camera with a sizable sensor. Flexibility is limited because any zoom greater than 1 times is entirely digital. The images, which have respectable color and detail, are ideal for daily shooting in well-lit conditions. Low light causes noticeable grain and less consistent exposure, which lowers image quality. So the Infinix Note Edge's curved display and thin, cozy form make it feel like a bit of a throwback in the best way. As long as your expectations are reasonable, it provides a truly beautiful screen, a long battery life, and performance that is more than sufficient. The software has its quirks and bloat, but it's tolerable, and the camera setup is simple but functional. The Infinix Note Edge is definitely worth a look if you're looking for a fashionable mid-range phone with great endurance and a premium feel without having to pay premium money. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this phone? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.